What are the charges that are levied on Mr. Aryan Khan? Hey guys, this is Santosh Pulipaka, advocate practicing in Telangana. Today, let's try to focus on the charges that are levied on Mr. Aryan Khan in a nutshell. So, Mr. Aryan Khan was arrested on 3rd October 2021 in connection with a drug raid conducted by Mumbai Zonal Division, which is helmed by Mr. Samir Wangde. The NCB Mumbai unit has conducted raids on a cruise ship off the city shore. Mr. Aryan Khan, along with several others, were arrested and accused of conspiracy and consumption of the drugs, along with several other charges. When arrested, NCB has claimed that they have seized the following amount of drugs: 13 grams of cocaine, 5 grams of mephedrone, 22 pills of MDMA, 21 grams of charas. Generally, in such NCB cases, the investigation and proceedings will depend on the quantity of drugs seized in the raid. So, totally it was divided into small quantities and commercial quantities as per the notifications that are released. As per the notification 527E, cocaine small quantity is 2 grams and commercial quantity is 100 grams, whereas the quantity NCB received in seize is 13 grams. Mephedrone 5 grams is small quantity and 100 grams is commercial quantity, and the quantity seized in the raid is 5 grams. MDMA small quantity is 0.5 grams and commercial quantity is 10 grams, whereas NCB received 22 pills in the raid. And the charas, the small quantity is 100 grams and commercial quantity is 1 kg, whereas NCB received 21 grams in the raid. In 22 pills of MDMA seized, if we emphasize that there might be 10 grams of MDMA drug, which is equivalent to commercial quantity in this respective case. Generally, in all these NCB cases, investigation will follow based on Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, which is also called as NDPS Act 1985. So, as per NDPS Act 1985, there are 5 sections that are levied on Mr. Aryan Khan, which are 8C, 20B, 27, 29 and section 35. Let us try to understand all the charges that are attracted in this case. Section 8C. This section generally prohibits the production, consumption or anything related to drugs except for scientific and research purposes. Section 20B. Possession, cultivation, manufacture, sale, transport and use of cannabis are punishable offences. If the accused person is having small quantity of drugs when he was arrested, then the imprisonment might be up to 6 months. If, for suppose, the quantity of drugs that were seized are from small quantity to large quantity, means it is greater than small quantity and less than commercial quantity, then the imprisonment might be up to 10 years. If the drugs seized were in commercial quantity, then the imprisonment might be not less than 10 years and may extend up to 20 years. Section 27. Consumption of any narcotic drug is a punishable offense. Section 29 is punishment for abatement and criminal conspiracy. Section 35. This presumes that the accused know what he is doing and he will be treated as guilt until proven innocent.